This is Marl Antonio Impareño, Project Zero Flood, the follow-up. I have a solution in floods. Just simply made malls that have swimming pools that has waves, swimming pools that has slides, more like a splash island, alcove, etc. More like fantasy, uh, fantasy decoration, more like uh, Star City, Poolside, or more like Enchanted Kingdom, or huge fish pond, huge fish pond for local and tourist attraction, and another huge fish pond for fish farming, and as well as favorite seafoods, shrimp, salmon, tuna, and lobster, etc. Also, orchard that will irrigate by this water. Uh, that water will of course filtered only thrice, or to make it more drinkable, or at least yes, drinkable. Thrice, etc. And plus uh, hydro fountains, more exhibition fountains, and statues, other statues, etc. Plus, water is good for to uh, public dating, or public for those water areas that's provided with free water, or less, or not free but very affordable water facilities. Again, this is Mar Antonio Pareño from Barangay Elisos Block 21, General Mariano Alvarez, Cavite, Manila, Philippines. Same Mabuhay. I'm from the clan Makalinaw of Cargara, Leyte, and from the clan in my mother's side, and my father's side, Negros, Bacolod, the Ilonggos. My mom are Warais, my father Ilonggos. I'm from Ilonggo, Negros, Bacolod, and Iloilo. Para sa inyo po ito. Just my cell phone number is 0912-6730-868. Again, 0912-6730-868. Just text or call me regarding this project, and or snail mail me this is for all the victims of floods, tsunami, etc. around the world. This project is very much a huge help for them. Okay. Again, this is my Antonio Pareño saying bye guys, I love you guys.